Let's help language grow.
Hi, my name is Camber Moulton, and I am an Assistive Technology Regional Consultant for PRC-Saltillo. I support Saltillo products in Oklahoma and Arkansas and any open territory. Today I'm going to show you how to use the words look and see during playtime. A great way to use the words look is during shared reading. While reading with your child, you could comment and point at different objects in the book. One easy way to do this is to use flap books. You could open the page and model on your device. Let's look under this flap. Do you want to look what's under here? Let's look. Uh-oh, Elmo and Grover crashed. You could also use search and find books where you have to find a certain object in the pictures, like Where's Waldo? Another fun way to teach the words look or see would be to have a scavenger hunt around your house or in your backyard. You could look for things in nature like birds, bugs, maybe even different colors. You could tell your child to look up in the sky. Look at that bird. Can you look for something that's green? I see green. You could also hide things around the house and have your child go find them. Or you could say, let's go look for the dog.
Look.
Uh-oh, I see the dog.
See.
Lastly, another fun way to teach look would be to have a mystery bag. Take any non-see-through bag that you have around your house and some common objects. Spoon, ball, maybe a stuffed animal. Have your child reach in the bag. Here you can model.
Dude, no.
Don't look. Pick something that you think you want. You ready to look?
Look.
Oh,
Yes.
I see what you found. Look, it's Yoda. I hope you find some time to teach the word look or see this week.